Hello my friends, Rune here again. I bought a BB gun from the same guy I did a trade with the HDR50. It's the Cybergun FN Herstal. He says it shoots fully automatic. I highly doubt it. I haven't tested it yet. But the guy I bought it from had never tested it either. He just looked at the selector switch and thought it could shoot in full auto. The way this thing works is that the trigger has a long bar on it, which slides over this piece here, and that piece, when it goes far enough in, will snap down. That will release some gas and shoot the BB out here. So it is no way you can make this shoot in full auto. It's a cool BB gun. I would prefer it had a longer barrel, but what the heck. It won't stay closed. Pulling the trigger pushes a lever. I can see it down there. So yeah, adjustable buttstock, adjustable sights, at least the rear sight is. This can be removed, loosening up these two screws. Safe, fire. And if you put it on full auto, it will still fire, but only single shots. So, okay, let's load it up. You need to push in this button here. I had the AK variant some years ago. He told me I never used it, but it has a CO2 canister in it. Okay. Is it full or is it empty? It's full. So, maybe he never tested it. I don't know. He has also loaded up BBs. Black BBs I can see. Let's put some oil on the tip there. And then let's tighten it up. At least it's the normal 6mm hex wrench that Umarex also use. So, let's see if my Coldwell crony can give us some crony numbers. So, one moment. Temperature is about 21 degrees Celsius. I guess these are the black hornady BBs. Temperature is about 21-22 degrees Celsius. So let's see. Five 14. 498, 477, 457, 450, At least it is a quiet airgun, not much noise. 450, 448, 431, 424, 416, 368, and we're out of ammo. And now, just to prove it to you that it is not a full auto, let me put it on full auto, and it will still shoot only one. See? Semi-auto again. I'm shooting at a pop can. And I think I'm out of ammo. Fun plinker though. Even if it's not full auto. "12 meters. Let's see if I can hit that pop can, beer can. And we're out of ammo again. Yeah, quite fun. So, the can sat like this. We saw the first, shots. This was from 12 meters, so it shot quite a bit to the left. I had to aim about here, just outside the can, in order to hit it at 12 meters, and then it hit it here. So, cool blinker, quite good power for a BB gun, over 500 feet per second on the first couple of shots. Yeah, why not, why not. The guy I bought it from had some sort of silencer that he said I could attach here. I have not tested it yet, but that will increase the barrel length a little bit, which I think it will make it look better. So, I think I just stop there. My wife will be home soon, and she hates these kind of things. So, yeah. Let's see how much gas is left. Quite a bit. Maybe the O-ring popped? No. Makes a big hole in the canister there. So I guess you can shoot at least 80 or 100 shots with one CO2 canister. Yes. Okay. That's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.